So we're going to subtract 230 from 315. If I look at this, I know right here I'm going to have to borrow. You know Mrs. King's not allowing any borrowing to happen underneath here because it gets too messy. So you've got to bring it out. 315 minus 230. More on the top. Don't stop. More on the floor. So you've got to borrow. 3 from 11. Remember, you're counting up. So it's going to be, hold your 3 in your head or in your hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer here is 85. 85 is not less than our divisor, so we have to keep going. If we look over here, biggest thing we can take is 23 times 2, which is 46. Again, we're going to have to borrow, so we're going to pull it out to do the subtraction. 85 minus 46, 7, 15. So when we count up 6, we're going to go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. So you get 39. We're still not done. It's still bigger than our divisor. Looking over here, one last thing we can take. 23 times 1 is 23. And when we subtract, we're going to get 16. So remember what we're going to do to add our partial quotients together to get our actual quotient. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Plus another 1 is 33. So our answer is going to be 33, remainder 16. All right, we still have to check by multiplying. So that means we're going to take our quotient, 33, times our divisor, 23. This is where it gets a little bit messy because if you see a multiplication problem like this, you know, oh no, I have to do cross clean 0. I need 2 partial products. So remember, you're going to go ahead and cover up 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And now we've got to do cross clean 0. Cross, clean, nothing to clean, and then 0. Put your 0 here. Now use the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And now you've got to add both of those partial products up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. 759. So that was my quotient times my divisor plus my remainder. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. Don't forget it. Is 7. 775. 775 matches my original dividend. Hooray, I'm happy. And I got it correct. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to learn about using partial quotients to divide with 2-digit divisors. So we already learned this with 1-digit divisors. Now we're going to learn it with 2. So we're going to do 775 divided by 23. There's our 2-digit divisor. I'm going to set it up like that. Divided by 23. All right, so we're using partial quotients, so we're going to go ahead and draw our line down to make our big 7. And now we need to list our easy facts, right? So we're going to do our divisor times 1. 23 times 1 is 23. Then remember, we're going to do, if you know 23 times 1, you definitely know 23 times 10. 23 times 100 is going to be way too big. So we're going to do 23 times 2. 23 times 2 is 46. Stack 23 plus 23, that's 46. 23 times 20 then is 460. Then we're going to move on to 23 times 5. Now 23 times 5, we're going to have to stack that. So I'm going to show my work. 23 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. So 23 times 5 is 115. So now we've got our easy fact shopping list, right? So we're ready to go ahead and start multiplying and subtracting. First one we're going to subtract out is going to be 460. That's the biggest, and we can do it. So 23 times 20 is 460. And then we're going to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, give him a shot. I'm a little distracted because the crazy dogs are eating one another.
Stop. Mom's taking a video.
Okay, come back. Next one.
Just talk loud.
That's okay. We're going to use 23 times 10. 230.
Got it. Hold this.
Can you just pause it?